Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, subscribe the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Today we are talking about tips what a driving school doesn't teach you. Number one, when you learn driving, people say the driving instructor tells you to remove your slippers and as well as the shoes and learning driving. So he says you have good contact with the brake and accelerator and the clutch, but actually it is going to damage your eyesight, because the feet will be direct connect with the clutch, the brake and all, and it presses hard and it is going to spoil your eyesight. So you should make sure that you wear your shoes or slippers and then only drive. Adjust your mirrors, see that the side mirrors and the middle mirror, that there are no blind spots in the car. Know your car well, that means the topography of the car should be known, the right side, the back, so where you understand. Next thing is, there are in the mirrors, there are day mode and night mode, so you should know that. Make sure that your seating comfort, the height adjustment and the comfort is done perfectly for your comfort drive, because you are going to drive long or in traffic, so make sure you are on a comfort mode. Make sure the steering should be 9-3 position. This is the right position to keep your car steering. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.